Hello and welcome to another episode of 24-hour AI campaign challenge. Where are my notes? For this AI campaign challenge, I chose Tinder. By the way, you will excuse me, but I don't know what's happening with my lip. I'm becoming a Dubai girl. So first of all, I wanted to do something video. So I thought, let's do some kind of short film. A couple, meets in Bali and discovered the island together, like rafting, the volcano and the lakes and all of that. Very quickly, it became evident that it was a bit lame. So I pivoted. I had on my mind the water hydrant. It's a phallic shape, the water element, which can be representative for feminine satisfaction. And so I thought, New York, I quickly got something that I thought quite interesting. Then I tried a little bit of copywriting around this concept. I thought I found one that I really liked. And then in time that evolved into something a bit shorter and more punchy. I was quite happy with it and I still had a lot of time, so I decided to recontextualize the same concept in other spots, other places, other cities. So I took a flight, economy, to Rome. Water fountains, statues, Venuses, and all of that. And then I thought, let's fly to Kenya or Tanzania during the dry season and let's make an image of the first rain and flooding, So that was a pretty quick generation. I got inspired from a series of ads that I saw not long ago. So as you can see, is this before-after provocative. There is a clear critique. I'm gonna do an Apple ad next. All right, so now I had my little images and I was very eager to animate them. I tried some image to video with simple prompt. Not working. I even pivoted to text to video. Didn't work well. So my last chance was image to video with start frame and end frame. After a few trial and error, I found the right workflow for it. And it uses Photoshop generative fill. So here they are. The first one that I finished was the statue. I was really happy with it. The water kind of flows naturally and the level rises in a believable way. Then I completed the riverbed. This is a fair generation, I think. I mean, it's not perfectly realistic, but it works. And then finally, I did the fire hydrant. So we came full circle. So yeah, this is my little campaign for Tinder. Let me know your favorite. Ciao, ciao.